Hey, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and I know you've seen that thumbnail. Hey, today we having it your way. We making an absolutely delicious Whopper. Now what I'm gonna do is I got my coals ready. I'm using my firebox as like a little grill setup, and we gonna get those open flames to kiss those burgers so we can make an absolutely delicious flame kissed Whopper in your backyard. Now it's cookout season, and you already know, hey, we got you in the game. So go ahead, grab your ingredients, follow along with this video here, and let me get you in the game. All right, these ingredients will be in the description box below. Hey, let's go through a quick run through. Got some 16 mesh pepper. We got some salt. Got that Deuce mayo. We're going with those ballpark tailgaters, and those are some oversized buns. Got the ketchup. We're going with the dill pickles. That 80-20 ground beef. Then we got the cheese, if you like those Whoppers with the cheese. Now you can admit that if you like it, but what's a Whopper without those tomatoes and that white onion? Fam, we're gonna be in the game. Hey, let's go to this workstation. Let's get these burgers prepared so we can get them on that open flame. Now, I'm not gonna go with my flamethrower today. I'm going in with some lump charcoal. Hey, I should have went with my flamethrower. I got this little weak flame. Hey, but it'll still do the trick. We'll get this lit up. Hey, we'll get these coals ready to go, and we'll be in the game. So we got this little burger press, so you can go with like a half a pound, or you can come on this side with a quarter pound. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on the half pound side, and then I'm gonna make these burgers a little bit bigger than the bun, just because they're gonna shrink when we put them on that grill. So we're gonna go with some of that ground chuck. We'll press down on it like that just to flatten it out, and then all you got to do is then make it a little bit wider than your bun, and then you'll be in the game, fam. And then as you can see, fam, this is how big we want to have this patty, and we still got that round shape, so it's gonna be a little bit bigger than the bun, so when it shrinks up, it's gonna be the perfect size. Hey, it's a reason why I cook at night, just because y'all can see, you know, how it looks. So what I'm gonna do, the coals are hot. Hey, I got me a little piece of hickory right here. I'm gonna put this over that coal bed like so. All right, so we got that flame going. So what we gonna do, hey, we gonna put those burgers over that flame. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and season these burgers, going in with some 16 mesh pepper, and I just want to keep it simple because I want that, you know, that smoke flame flavor to come through, sparkle and shine. And then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of salt, and then once you get it to the liking, now I don't want to get like a char on here, but hey, I just want to get a nice little color. I'm gonna flip it, hey, like so, and then we'll check this one. And like if you got a big enough spatula like this right here, hey, you can check the underneath and see how the color's coming. Hey, and that one looks pretty good too. Hey, and for these, I don't want too big of a flame, because, you know, with the flare-ups, I don't want them to, you know what I'm saying, scorch these burgers. Like I said, what I'm looking for, you know, mainly in this is that flame, you know what I'm saying, flavor. And then we'll be patient. We'll let these cook until they're ready to go, and then we'll get them off the grill. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and season this side up, because I haven't done that yet, and then we'll let them ride. And we might flip these one more time, and then once they're ready to go, fam, we'll get these dressed up. All right, so depending on how my flame's moving, since we are working over open flame, you know, I am moving it to catch the flame, you know, just like that. So if you got a little bit of wind and your flame is trying to escape you, hey, just move those patties over that flame so you can keep cooking them. Hey, now these burgers are coming along great. Hey, what I'm gonna do is, because I got a little bit more flame on this side, hey, I'm gonna bring this one over here so it can get a little bit more of that flame than it was getting. Hey, but these coming along great. Hey, in a couple of minutes, I'm gonna flip these back over, and then after that, fam, we should be in the game. All right, fam, so these burgers are about ready to come off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit one of them with that cheese, and I got that American cheese. It's like so. Hey, we're gonna let it melt a little bit. This one we're gonna keep this like the original without cheese, and we'll be in the game, fam. Hey, let me bring this up to you. A nice flame kiss, juicy. Hey, we're in the game. Hey, we about to get these off. We gotta dress these up. All right, fam, we got these toasted buns. Now what we gonna do, hey, we gonna hit it with that mayo. So I'm going on mayo both sides of the bun. I'm using Duke's mayo. Hey, use your favorite mayo, whatever mayo you like. If you like extra mayo, hey, hit it with that extra mayo, fam. Hey, this the show kitchen. Hey, like it say, BK, have it your way, right? You can make these at your next cookout, and you'll be the king. You'll be the Burger King at your next cookout, fam. So we got that mayo, and what we gonna do, hey, we gonna bring those burgers over. Hey, look at that right there. Hey, and that's why I made it oversized, because when it shrinks down, it fits perfectly on that bun. Then we're gonna hit it with those pickles. Hey, the good thing about this, because this your backyard, hey, you can put however many pickles that you want on it. And then after that, fam, hey, hit it with that ketchup. Hey, next we're gonna go in with those onions. Hey, then I'm gonna hit it with those tomatoes. You can double up those tomatoes if you like. And lastly, hey, we got some lettuce, some green leaf lettuce. And then you hit it with that top hat, like that, right there, and that right there. Hey, fam, look at that right there. You got your absolutely delicious Flame Kissed Whopper at the cookout in your backyard. Hey, you already know what I gotta do. Hey, I gotta give this right here, hey, that Flame Kissed Whopper. Hey, I gotta give it a taste test. And cheers, fam. See if I can get it situated. Hey, that right there? Yes, sir. Hey, that's absolutely delicious right there. You in the game. Hey, let me tell you, that burger right there got you in the game. Now, don't just take my word for it. Hey, try it out. Tell me what you think. But that right there, hey, you're gonna be the king of the backyard this summer. Now, if you're new to my channel and you like my content, hey, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends, and tell them, hey, Cooking with Manual Focus got you in the game. Now, for my Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I'm about to do. Hey, I'm about to smash into this Flame Kissed Whopper, and I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Peace.